Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to style a slick back. So first thing we're going to do with my client here, we're going to wet his hair. It's very important to start with wet hair. So if you're at home, make sure you take a shower. If you can't take a shower, make sure you make your hair completely wet, either with a spray bottle or with the sink water, whatever it is that you can do. But you got to make sure that it's all wet. And the reason for this is because it's the easiest to mold your hair in whatever shape you want it to when you're starting out wet. If it's already dry, it's always going to return back to the shape that it was dried out in. So now what we're going to do, grab a round brush like you see that I have in this video, and what you want to do is you want to grab, twist, and pull with applying heat from the blow dryer at the same time. So as you can see, grab, twist, and then pull towards the back, as you see I'm doing there. This will help give the hair some lift and some volume, because if you don't do this, what will happen is your hair will just slick straight back with no fluff to it at all. So if you want like a super flat slick back, you don't have to do this, but if you want some volume in it, you definitely got to do it this way. Okay, so the product in this video that we're going to use is Hans de Foucault's sponge wax. This is a medium hold matte finish product. It's one of my favorite products. I sell it here in my store. And what we'll do here is we're just going to grab a little scoop, just a finger scoop for the amount of hair that he has. So as you can see here, it's about that much. And what we're going to do is we're going to rub it in our hands. And when you rub it in your hands, you need to make sure that it fully, emulsifies in your hands completely, so there's no chunks left behind. This is a common mistake I see a lot of guys making. So make sure that it's fully emulsified in your hand. What we're going to do now is we're going to apply it everywhere on the hair. So we're going to apply it on top here, we're going to apply it underneath, we're going to apply it on the side, just to make sure all the hair is evenly coated with the product. Okay, so up next guys, we're going to use some texturizing powder. What this will do is it'll give the hair a little bit more lift, and it will make it look more matte. So if you're somebody who wants to go for a more natural look to your hair, this is a necessary step that you want to do. And if you guys haven't tried this stuff before, it's really good. It adds more texture to your hair, and like I said, it just gives it that extra boost, that extra lift. And on his hair, we wanted a little bit more of a messy slick back, so we're just going to move some hairs around just to make it look more natural. Okay, there you go. That is the final result right there. Let me know what you guys think. Try it out on yourselves at home and tell me what you guys think about the hairstyle. I think I like styling my hair like this, and a lot of my clients like it that way too.